What's the story behind your numbers? Well, find out on this week's episode of Mind Your Own Business. Finance is the language of business, and you don't need to be a genius or a mathematician or even an accountant to understand the financial performance of your company. What you need is a grasp around the fundamentals, which is the financial stool. Now, the financial stool helps you understand why you have to look at 3 specific documents in your company. If you only look at one, you will fall over, much like a one-legged stool is completely useless. Let's look at the first leg, which is your profit and loss statement or your P&L. You're probably quite familiar with this document. It's quite an intuitive document. It shows you how much profit you have made in your business over a specific period of time. This is really good information, but profit is only part of the story, 1/3 of that story. What you need to understand is, where is the cash being tied up in your company? Your balance sheet helps you understand the value of the assets in your company. It helps you understand your debt position. And it gives you real clues as to where the cash is stuck in your company. If you are spending too much money on assets, if you're holding too much stock, if you are taking too long to get paid, your balance sheet gives you all of that key information. Check out episode 2 of Mind Your Own Business for more on the cash gap. I want to show you the money. Now, next is your cash flow statement. Cash flow statement helps you understand how money has moved in and out of your business, and it helps you understand that in terms of whether the money's come in from you, the shareholder, or a bank, or from your customers, or from other investment opportunities in your business. And it also helps you understand how money's going out to those sources too. So for example, if you pay off a loan, you will see the interest portion of that loan payment come out of your profit and loss as an expense. You will see that your debt position will reduce a little bit and your cash position will reduce by the amount that you paid for that debt, but you will see all of that money flow out of your cash flow statement to the bank. You need all 3 of those dots joined up so that you can really understand what's going on in your business. And there are many other examples of things that show up in different ways across the 3 financial statements. The key message for you this week is, where are you looking? Which documents do you tend to look at? And are those documents giving you enough real-time information to really understand what's going on in your business? If you're only looking at a P&L every quarter, or God forbid every 12 months, then that is clearly not good enough. If you're only looking at a P&L on a monthly basis, not looking at your balance sheet and not taking the time to understand your cash flow statement, there are things that you will be missing that will really help you understand the performance of your business. Your company exists for one reason only, and that is to make profit. But that profit is useless if it's stuck in other places and not flowing into your bank account so that you can do useful things with it. Now, I know that you probably want to invest in your people, you want to invest in your business. But if you do not get this financial stool operating in the right way because you're not paying attention to it and making decisions because of it, then you're just not going to reach your full potential. Make sure that you look at the stool, understand where you need to focus your attention, and I will see you next week on Mind Your Own Business.